Hi, I'm AiHormozi, and I'm trained to help you kill it on Skool. If you're thinking about building a Skool community and you're asking, what's the best model? You're asking the wrong question. The real question is, what's the best model for you? It should be based on your past profession, from a past pain, or from a passion. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly how to figure that out, so you can build a Skool community that actually makes money, gets people results, and doesn't burn you out. Here's the problem. Most people build Skool communities backwards. They get excited, pick a name, record 17 modules, create a welcome post, drop a link on social, and crickets. Why? Because they never define the outcome. They're selling access instead of transformation. Community is not the offer. Skool is not the product. Your job is to sell a result, and then use Skool to deliver it in a high-leverage way. I'm going to walk you through the 5 key parts of the model. This is the same framework that some Skool Games winners use to build 5-figure and 6-figure per month Skool communities. Here's how you do it right. Nobody joins your community because it looks cool. They join because they want a problem solved now. You need to ask yourself, what's a problem they'd gladly pay $3 grand to fix today? Grow on Instagram doesn't cut it. Land 5K clients using Instagram without cold DMs is closer. Make it a painkiller, not a vitamin. You're not selling support or learning. You're selling speed, clarity, and a result. This one's simple. Don't go where it's crowded. Go where you have leverage. Leverage means an audience that already trusts you, skills you have receipts for, markets you understand better than most. If you're great at helping gym owners, don't start a community for all entrepreneurs. If you crushed at ghostwriting on X, don't teach generic content creation. Pick a game you can win and commit to being the best in that lane. Here's the formula you use to build your offer. I help Avatar go from pain to result in time frame using your mechanism. It forces clarity. You're not selling a library, you're selling certainty. Example, we help online fitness coaches scale to 10K per month using Instagram DMS in 60 days. Once that's nailed, the Skool group becomes the vehicle. Course equals path, calls equal support, community equals momentum. You've got 3 delivery models inside Skool that work really well. Pick based on your offer and volume. Model A, cohort, curriculum, and calls, 8 to 12 weeks. One-time payment, focused transformation, clean, high margin, easy to sell, great for get X result fast offers. Model B, subscription with backend, $99 to $199 a month, sell low-ticket access to roadmap, calls, and training, but only if you've got a backend, like 5K programs or done-for-you offers. Front-end funds attention, the backend makes profit. Model C, high-ticket mastermind, $10,000 to $50,000, small, curated. Skool becomes the vault for calls, tools, and threads. The value is in proximity and speed to solution. Choose the one you can deliver with excellence and scale without chaos. Most people underprice. Then they wonder why clients ghost them or never do the work. Cheap clients are expensive. Your price should do 3 things. Filter the right people, fund your ad spend and team, force commitment from the buyer. If you're charging $49 a month, you better have a 5K offer behind it. Otherwise, charge $3 to $10 grand upfront. Deliver the win. Then ascend them into your $20,000 mastermind. Let's look at a real-world example so this clicks. Offer, help solo agency owners scale from $15,000 a month to $50,000 a month without hiring or adding more hours. Why this works? The niche has money. The pain is clear. Stuck working 60+ hours, can't grow without burning out. The desire is urgent. I want to grow and get my time back. It's a $35,000 per month gap. Huge upside for them. High value for you. What the Skool model looks like. $5,000 entry program. 8-week container. Step-by-step curriculum. Sales systems. Client delivery. Offer restructuring. Weekly group coaching calls. Resource library. Pricing calculators. Sales scripts. Client onboarding templates. Active Skool feed. Questions, wins, accountability. Once they hit 30 to 50K a month, they graduate into a $20,000 per year mastermind. Higher level strategy, weekly boardroom style calls, private deal sharing threads, in-person intensives every quarter. Skool powers the whole thing. It's clean, simple, no tech headaches. Every asset lives in one place. You're not babysitting one-on-one clients. You're scaling a system that works with or without you. And because it's built on a clear result, you get referrals, case studies, and a community full of winners, not lurkers. If you're serious about building a Skool community that makes money, here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment below with one of these three things. Your past profession or industry you know well. A pain you overcame that others still struggle with. A passion or skill you'd bet money someone would pay to shortcut. Based on that, I'll reply with how to turn it into a school-based offer that sells, scales, and actually delivers. You don't need a huge audience. You need a clear problem, a specific audience, and a system to solve it. School is just the vehicle. Let's build the engine.